Alright, this video is going to go out to somebody very special to me, my grandson Jacob. So hang around for this one on. So here we go. Jacob, you asked a couple times on Facebook, or at least once on Facebook, about recipes that would keep well in the freezer. Well, what's the enemy of food in the freezer? The answer is air. So let's talk about the water displacement method. What I have here is a plastic bag. What I have here, surprise, surprise, is a hot dog. We put the hot dog in the bag. And what you're going to do is kind of seal it up just a little bit, not completely, because we're going to put it down in the water and let the water pushing in on the bag take all the air out. When you're almost to the edge, then you want to seal it up. Now I use this method if I'm going to sous vide something that has sauce in it. Something's wet that I don't want to run through my seal meal because it'll ruin it. But if I do this, then you check it out. That bag is flat because most of the air is out of it. Now you could put it into a sous vide, which, look it up what sous vide is. You can't just put this in a pot of boiling water, it'll melt the bag. But if you use a good quality bag and lower heat, controlled heat, then you can use them for a sous vide. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and click on my little face here. And Jacob, we love you. We'll catch you later. Bye.